Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie yeeps. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and about a half cup of cold water for the dough. For the delicious filling, grab 1 pound of your favorite diced fruit, like apples or berries, and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the perfect dough for our pie yeeps. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of flour with a small pinch of salt. Next, cut 1 stick of very cold butter into small cubes and work it into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about a half cup of ice water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Gently knead for 2 minutes, then wrap and chill for 30 minutes. With our dough chilled and ready, it's time for the fun part: assembly. Roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Use a 4-inch round cutter or the rim of a glass to cut out individual dough circles. Place approximately 1 tablespoon of your prepared fruit filling in the center of each circle. Fold the dough over, creating a half-moon shape, and firmly crimp the edges to seal them completely. Almost there, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your beautifully assembled pie yeeps onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring a little space between each one. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are a lovely golden brown and slightly puffed. Let them cool for 10 minutes before serving warm. They are absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.